everybody? My name is Naima, but you can call me Nai because you're my best friends. And like again, we are going to be making a slime, shampoo slime. Now I'm gonna make this clear: no glue, like no glue. Okay, so don't watch this if you have glue. Okay, like if you do. Anyway, no glue. So oh dang it, how could I forget? Put your hands together for Nora, my visitor. Actually, she is my little sister. She's 4 years old, and her name is Nora. Nora?
Hi, my name's Nora. And I get help Naima, my big sister.
Okay, so she's gonna be my little helper for the day because she really wanted to help in this video, so I was like, okay, fine. So yeah, we're gonna make a shampoo slime. It doesn't have to be gel shampoo, but I have gel shampoo. You're gonna be needing, so I'll explain that all later, but yeah, you're gonna be needing shampoo. That's the main thing. So yeah, we'll just get into the ingredients. Okay, so the first ingredient is a container. I just got this nice small one. That's number one. Then you're gonna be needing some gel shampoo, like this, like some gel shampoo. And then you're gonna be needing some bicarb soda, like baking soda. You're gonna need some salt and just some measuring cups. I think that will do. Let's get started.
First is the shampoo.
So like my helpy assistant said, first is the shampoo. Basically first is shampoo. So you get your shampoo, compress it, put it down. It's like gel shampoo, so like it's kind of. Do you know it? You want to squeeze it? Good girl. Here, let me do it. It's a little hard because it's. Okay. Okay, there you go. So that was the shampoo. I'm only doing a small bit because, well, you know. So I'm just telling you to put the shampoo back. And then, so you got your shampoo there. Nice and, it doesn't have to be clear, but I just got it clear. So you got your shampoo. And assistant, may I please have the baking soda?
Big soda.
Huh? What's that? What's that?
Big soda.
Okay, so it's baking soda. And, okay. So, this is half a quarter. And a cup, like 60 mils. I'm gonna only fill like halfway. I don't know if you guys can see that because like it's like a mirror, but yeah. It's like a brick, so that's why it's like kind of hard. I just need to get it. I am a messy person. Okay, there you go. Okay. Yeah, so we got that done. Done. So so half a cup. Baking soda. Boop. Make sure it's all in. And then before we mix it, we're gonna get the salt, please. Thank you. Say, what is this?
It's salt.
Good girl. Okay, so this is half a teaspoon. So like it's 2.5 mils of, and this is salt. So, like Nurse said, we're gonna get 1 cup of salt. I don't know, but that's like what the instructions said on the video on YouTube. I might do like a little bit more, like just a tiny bit, because I don't know. Now we're gonna mix. I'm just gonna use this as my mixer.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
there's more soap here. I'm holding. There's more.
Okay, please. You can do this one. Good girl. Okay, so I might put a little more baking soda, just like a tip, like. Okay, so that was unexpected. Icing, like as you can see, it's like icing a little. That's what the instructions said, but mine's turning up as icing. Well, theirs turned up like icing, but I should be doing it right. They didn't show the results, so I'm just hoping my results will look like theirs. Okay, so after mixing for a while, we're gonna go put it in the fridge. And they said to, so we're gonna go and put it in the fridge for about an hour or two. See you guys later. And how much hours are we gonna put it in there for?
1, 2, 2.
Okay, we'll go put it in for 2. See you guys in 2 hours. Oh wait, and I forgot. Before you put it in the fridge, just to spice things up a little, I got this. So it is called Fresh Burst Listerine. I don't exactly.
You have to ask Dad.
No, this is mine. Nora, drink. Nora, look at me. This is mine.
Okay.
So it's gonna break one open. It's like a paper. Like you put it on your mouth and like it's really spicy, but then it like holds your breath something. So why not just put it in the shampoo, make it smell minty. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna take it. So it starts like disintegrate. If you guys have like any minty stuff like dye, it's just after the slime's made. Probably won't even make it, but maybe if you have anything that can make it smell nice. That's not like a liquid or something like that. Once it kind of like solid in liquid, you can probably put it in. Oh my god, it smells so good. There you go. It kind of turned green. So it's gonna like mix it light. So this is mine. Very messy. Don't know about that. But now that I've done that and shown you guys, now we're going to put it in the fridge. So let me just wash this. See, after making slime and all that, I'll have to wash my utensils. So if I ever go back to the slime, then I can, you know, use it nice and clean. So, yep, in the fridge just goes. See you guys in 1 hour or 2. Okay guys, so I'm back and obviously I'm wearing different clothes. Well, because I kind of got tired, so I went to bed because I did the slime project at 10 o'clock. And well, let's just say I slept through it and then I had to do like some work, some schoolwork, and then you know, and then I got back to the slime. I was like, oh my god, I need to finish up a video. So here I am. So I picked it off. So it's like been in here for like hours. I got my mixing tool. I started mixing it before the video just to test it. But I didn't exactly know yet. I was just mixing it. So I got it now. And I'm mixing it. And tell me if it's just, it's not exactly, I really don't know. So it didn't work. And it's a really big bummer because I really wanted to make slime. Like, really wanted to make slime. But it didn't work. It didn't work, guys. Well, if you trying this at home and you haven't exactly watched the this bit and you just see me watching the parts where I'm making it and all that, but then you're not watching the end, I'm just warning you guys, it's not gonna work if you use the exact same ingredients as me. But you guys can try it. It might work with you guys, but it won't work for me, so. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like in the face, and please turn on your notifications bell, and leave a comment down below. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Bye.